So guys, in this tutorial we'll be talking about switches. We have different types of switch. We have different method, different way of switching electronic circuits or electronic devices. We have mechanical switch, we have electrical switch, and we have electromechanical switch. Mechanical switch is very common. You're already familiar with it, like this switch. So I said, let me power this circuit. I switch this. I said toggle this switch. So the LED come up and toggle it back, it goes off. So um, this is how mechanical switch work. We have it in our, we have it at home for controlling of home appliances. We have it in different places. So it's very common. It's very easy to use in electronic circuits or in electrical wiring. We also have electronic switch. So using transistor, maybe MOSFET, maybe FET or BJT. And we have electromechanical or electromagnetic switch, which is relay or or contactor. So in this tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to use transistor to switch, how to use transistor as a switch. Actually, we can use transistor as a switch or as an amplifier. So, but for this course, the scope of this course won't go beyond using it as a switch. So let's start with this simple circuit. I hope almost all of us will know how to connect this circuit in real life. It's very straightforward. So, but let me show you the circuit diagram because we'll be working with the circuit diagram. Assuming you connect something like this in real world, so this is how it will look if you draw the circuit diagram. Okay, this how it look. Circuit diagram, draw the circuit diagram. So I think we are all familiar with this already. So we treated this several times in a previous tutorial. This is the circuit symbol for the switch. Let's power it. So you see that this switch is a mechanical switch, just a manual, purely manual. But if you want to, if you want to control something automatically, you won't be using manual switch. Like if you want to build a device that that will that will be coming up at night, so like solar street lights, you can't be using manual switch in such application. So you need an electronics or electromechanical switch. So we start by using electronic switch. So then we move to electromechanical switch. So um, the component that we'll be using for electronic switch is transistor. Is transistor. So I will start by introducing transistor to you. So this is the this is the tree. This is the tree. These are the branches. Varieties of transistor. Transistor types. We have bipolar junction transistor, and we have feed effect transistor. Actually, most of the time we call this BJT by abbreviation. So we call this FET. So for BJT we have N type, we have NPN type and PNP. I will explain this very soon. And for FET we have junction FET and we have MOSFET. Under junction FET we have depletion type, N channel, P channel. Under MOSFET you have the depletion type and we have enhancement type. We have P channel, we have N channel, we have P channel under enhancement type, and we have P channel also, we have N channel. But for the scope of this course, we won't go beyond this N type and P type, and we'll talk later about MOSFETs. So, but I advise you to read further on transistor. It's not something potential. Once I explain the basis to you now, so you'll be able to go ahead, able to move forward by yourself, be able to read further by yourself and understand it. It's not something very difficult to understand. So let me start by showing you the diagram for this BJT for MPN and PNP. So this is symbol for PNP. PNP, newcomer, PNP. The arrow points inside. The arrow points inside. And for MPN, the arrow goes out. It points out. The arrow points out. So don't mistake it, because once you mistake it, your circuit diagram won't work at all, because their principle of operation is very different from each other. They are not the same at all. So you have to be able to identify it. So this one is PNP, this one is NPN. Okay, this is how it looks in real life. This is how it looks. So if you check the circuit diagram, you see it there. So I will send you a textbook. I'll send you a textbook. I will upload it to my Google Drive and put the link. Send the link to the group, or I can also I'll also put the link in the description under the YouTube video channel, something like that. So you will be able to download this book so and read on transistor. So this is the this is the this is how transistor looks in real life. We have different packages. We have T092, we have T039. This how this different this how how they appear in real life differently. You know, this shape is somewhat different from this, and this is somewhat different from this, and this is somewhat different from this. The shapes are different. So, but if you want to order for it, if you want to request for a transistor or order for a transistor, so you need to mention the package at times. So, but if the device you are building doesn't warrant you to ask for a specific package, just ask for anyone without specifying the package that you want. So this is how they look in real life. So most of the time it's what to be seeing. So this what to be using for BJT. So that's all for an introduction to BJT, to transistor. In our next video, I will explain how to use them in circuit, how to use NPN and how to use NPN.